Hello students. Today we are going to study about intersecting lines and transversal. What is intersecting lines? First of all, होती क्या है? When two or more lines cross each other in a plane, they are called intersecting lines. As you can see in the figure, there are two lines Q and P which intersected at O, point of intersection. O is the point of intersection. The intersecting lines share always a common point like O. O is lie on the P and also lie on the Q. The properties of intersecting lines. The intersecting lines meet only at one point, only a single point. Like in our figure, it is intersected at O. The intersecting lines can cross each other at any angle. It may be acute or may be obtuse. These angle formed always greater than this angle formed is always greater than 0 degree or less than 180 degree. Two intersecting lines form a pair of vertical opposite angles. The vertical opposite angles are always equal with common vertex. Like in this figure, PQ intersected at O and form four angles A, B, C, D. A and C are the vertically opposite angles and B and D are the vertically opposite angle, which are always equal. Now our next topic is transversal. In a geometry, a transversal is a line that passes through two lines in the same plane at distinct points. Whereas intersecting line cut only at one point. अगर ट्रांसवर्सल की बात की जाए तो यहाँ 2 से 3 लाइनें हो सकती हैं और ट्रांसवर्सल उन्हें अलग अलग पॉइंट्स पे काटेगी. इफ़ अ ट्रांसवर्सल कट टू लाइन्स तो टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट पर वो कट करेगी. वेरएज अगर यही 3 पैरेलल लाइन्स हो जाए या 3 लाइन्स को ट्रांसवर्सल कट करेगी तो वो 3 डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स होंगे. लाइक इन दिस फिगर A and B आर द 2 डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स. If a transversal cut two lines at different two distinct points, then how many angles made by a transversal? There are 8 angles formed by a transversal. Like in our figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 angles formed by a transversal. अब इन्हें क्या नाम देते हैं? How they are related to each other हम आगे स्टडी करते हैं. Interior angles. These angles are those which lie inside these two lines. As you can see in this figure, if I join these two lines like this, then it form an interior part. So they lie in the interior, therefore they are called interior angles. Similarly, in this figure, these angles 1, 2, 3, 4 lie outside these two lines. So they are called exterior angles. Next is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angle, as we can see in this figure, angle 1 and 2 are the alternate interior angle. They have different vertex and they lie between two lines, these two lines. On the opposite side of the transversal. एक लेफ्ट में है तो दूसरी हमेशा राइट साइड में होगी. One is on the left and one is on the right side. Alternate interior angles. Corresponding angle. The next is corresponding angle. Like in this figure, angle A and E are the corresponding angles. They have different vertex but lie on the same side of the transversal. A भी left side में है and E भी left side में है, and they are in corresponding position relative to two lines. That means corresponding position means they lie on the left side of the transversal and also lie on the upper side of the line. Alternate interior angle on the same side of the transversal. As we can see in this figure, angle 1 and 2 lie on the same side. That means both are lie on the right side. Parallel lines cut by transversal. What happened when two parallel lines cut by a transversal? In that case, each pair of corresponding angle are equal, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, and each pair of interior angle on the same side are supplementary. Like in this figure, angle 1 and 5, 4 and 8, 3 and 7, 2 and 6 form corresponding angle. They are always equal. If you are talking about alternate interior, angle 3 and 5, angle 2 and 8, these two pairs are always equal. Similarly, if we are talking about exterior angle, pair of exterior also equivalent, like 1 equals to 7 and 4 equals to 6. And the interior angle on the same side, like 3 and 8 are supplementary angles. They always, their sum is always 180 degree. In our next figure we can see alternate interior angle, alternate angles. If you see alternate जो होते हैं वो कुछ Z like shape बना देते हैं. It is easy to mark these angles. It helps to you. Like Z form कर रहा है alternative angles में, अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो corresponding में इसी तरह से F form कर देता है, and interior angle में ये C form कर देता है.